Hey mathematicians, today we're going to be dividing fractions by a fraction. And just like whole number division, we're going to be given an amount and we're going to figure out how many groups we can make if we know the group size. So in this first example, we have 3/4 of a whole amount. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shade in using my highlighter. 3/4 of a whole amount. And now my job is to figure out how many groups can I make if each group has a size of 1/4. So as I look at my model, I can see here is a group of 1/4. I can definitely make one group with a size of 1/4. I can actually make two groups with a size of 1/4. And finally, I can make one more group that has a size of 1/4. So if I have 3/4 of an amount and I make group sizes of 1/4, I can make three groups. All right, let's go ahead and try another one. This time, we only have 1/4 of a whole amount, and we want to know how many groups we can make if each group has a size of 3/4. So I'm going to look at this model here, and I'm going to look at what 3/4 would look like. That right there would be a group of 3/4. And inside of that, I can see I don't actually have a whole group. I only have this one piece here. I have this one piece of 3/4, and I would need three of them to make a group. So what I can see is that if I'm looking at this as a fraction, the numerator tells me how many pieces I have, 1, and the denominator tells me how many pieces I need to make a whole group. And in this case, it's 3. So if I have 1/4 of an amount and I divide it into groups of 3/4, that's the size, I'm going to figure out that I only can make 1/3 of a group. Okay, let's do a third example. In this example, we have 3/8 of a whole amount. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to shade in 3/8. There we go. We've got 3/8 of a whole amount. And what we know is that we need to make group sizes of 5/8. And just like the last example, I don't actually have enough. You can see there, that's a group of 5/8. That's the size I'm trying to make, but I don't have enough. I've got 1, 2, 3 of the 5 pieces that I need in order to make a group that has a size of 5/8. So if I'm writing this as a fraction to show the answer, the numerator is how many pieces I have. In this case, I have 3. And the denominator tells me how many pieces would make up a whole group of 5/8. So it would be a 5 because I have 1, 2, 3 of the 5 pieces that I need. So 3/8 divided by 5/8 is 3/5. For our last example today, we're going to look at 3/4 divided by 1/2. So I'm going to start by shading in how much I have. Again, here using my model, I have 3/4 of a whole amount. And my goal is to make group sizes of 1/2. Now, something that I know is that 1/2 is equivalent to 2/4. Those are the same amount. And as I look at my model, I can see, oh yeah, 2/4 is half of the whole amount. And so what I'm looking for are group sizes of 2/4. So this is a group. I can see that that is 2/4 of a piece. So that's one group that I can make. But I need to try to make another one. I don't have enough. Just like in those last examples, you can see that I've got 1 out of the 2 pieces that I need in order to make a whole group of 1/2. So I can only make half of another group. Altogether, if I have 3/4 and I try to make group sizes of 1/2, I can make one whole group and I can make 1/2 of a second group. So 3/4 divided by 1/2 is 1 1/2.